Good afternoon, Rich Nass with Open Systems Media, back at ARM TechCon, and I'm in the NXP booth. I'm with Geoff Less, who's the general manager of the Microcontroller division, and I'm also with Clark Jarvis, who handles the tools for that division. And it's appropriate, they have a pretty significant announcement in the tool space. Can you give us the high level of that, Geoff?
Yeah, Rich, we're introducing MCU Expresso software and tools framework. And right from the moment that we merged Freescale and NXP at the end of last year, we committed to our customers that we were going to bring the tool chain together so that they could continue to develop Kinetis or continue to develop LPC, but actually develop both with the same tool chain without having to leave that environment. What we did was we took the best interface, the LPC Expresso interface, we merged that with our Kinetis interface into one new MCU Expresso, but we kept the dual perspective full Eclipse as well as the simplified MCU developer, so you can choose either. At the same time, we incorporated all of the Kinetis SDK tools and config and libraries and open source software, all developed under an open source framework using the BSD license. But Clark can tell you some of the details about using this and how we tested it with customers and with engineers.
Please do, Clark.
Absolutely. So yeah, we've tested this with lots of customers and had very good feedback on it. And so we have the MCU Expresso software and tools really comprised of three different pieces. So Geoff had mentioned the IDE itself was based primarily on the LPC Expresso, but then we have a very foundational platform based off of the MCU SDK. So we're going to give our customers all of the foundational drivers that they need, integration with RTOSes, and a very common experience in developing both on the Kinetis portfolio and the LPC portfolio. And to really tie that all together, we have a suite of configuration tools that allow users to come in and do the pin configuration, clock configuration, and we'll be having peripheral and power analyzing capabilities coming in the near future. And really that's meant to allow them to get up and running as quickly as possible, to have an outstanding out-of-box experience, but then to take them beyond the out-of-box experience and let them actually convert this into an application that's going to be suitable for what they need.
So if I understand this right, they're in one tool framework from beginning to end.
And we see a lot of evolution in real-time OS right now for the MCU space. So we support not only FreeRTOS, but also moving toward Embed OS as well as Zephyr, which we're actively involved with.
Very good. That's great stuff, guys. Thank you.